Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I want to show you a quick video on about what is blooming in my garden, and first of all I want to show you these beautiful geraniums that I have in my collection. I have different types of geraniums in my collection. Some of them I have grown from a seed. I have shown this process before in one of my previous video. You can check that out. And now I want to tell a few words about geraniums because you often ask how I manage to grow them, how I care them, and so on and so forth. So, geraniums. Geraniums actually make popular bedding plants in the garden, but they are also commonly grown indoors or outside in hanging baskets. Growing geranium plants is easy as long as you can give them what they need. Depending on where or how you grow geranium plants, their needs will be somewhat different. For example, indoors, geraniums need lots of light for blooming, but they also will tolerate moderate light conditions. And now, as you can see, I want to tell you a few words about what is a Martha Washington geranium, also known as regal geraniums. These are attractive, trailing plants with bright green ruffled leaves. Blooms come in various shades of red and purple, including bright pink, burgundy, lavender, and bee colors. Growing Martha Washington geranium plants isn't difficult, but the plants have different needs and require a little more care than standard geraniums. For example, in order to bloom Martha Washington regal geraniums, need nighttime temperature to be about 10 to 16 degrees Celsius. The container should be filled with good quality commercial potting mix. You can also grow in a flower bed if your winters are mild, but well-drained soil is essential. Dig a generous amount of compost or well-rotted manure into the soil before planting. Apply a thick layer of leaf mulch or compost to protect the roots from winter chill. I check my Martha Washington regal geraniums daily and water deeply, but only when the potting mix is fairly dry. Try to avoid overwatering as the plant may rot. I fertilize every 2 weeks during the growing season. Martha Washington regal geraniums usually do well indoors, but the plant needs bright light in order to flower. If light is low, especially during the winter, you may need to supplement with grow lights or fluorescent tubes. These plants need to be grown in a well-draining potting soil as well. When growing geraniums outdoors, they require moist, well-draining soil similar to that of indoor potting soil with equal amounts of soil, peat, and perlite. I locate my geraniums in an area with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Since these plants must be protected from cold, wait until the threat of frost has passed before planting. Whether indoors or outdoors, geranium care is pretty basic. In addition to watering, which should be done deeply and once the soil begins to feel dry out, indoors or at least weekly outdoors through potted plants may need daily watering in hot weather. Fertilizing is usually necessary. I use a water-soluble houseplant fertilizer, for example 5-10-5 fertilizer with additional organic matter every 4 to 6 weeks throughout their active growing season. Indoor or potted plants may require repotting once they become overgrown, usually noted by wilting between waterings. Regular dead heating of spent blooms will also help encourage additional blooming. When watering outdoor plants, it's best to avoid overheat irrigation as this can lead to pests or disease issues. Geranium plants root easily from cuttings and can be propagated in fall for overwintering of outdoor plants. They can also be dug up and brought inside. And don't forget to remove spent blooms to keep the plant tidy and to encourage the plant to continue blooming throughout the season. Also, I have big varieties of tulips in my backyard. As you can see, these beautiful red with that yellow inside. And yeah, I have many varieties of tulips in my backyard, yellow, red, purple, orange somehow, but not of them are already open. So I just can show you that flowers that are open at this moment. Also, I have these beautiful white tulips. They're just adorable, just amazing for me. Just look at these beautiful tulips. And yeah, I want to show you this beautiful violet that I managed to grow from a single leaf. This is violet violets with these beautiful white strips around the leaves of the flower. This violet is just adorable for me, guys. I just love it so much. And here also I have some bush of forget-me-not plants. They are just amazing for me. They are super cute, super tiny, and very beautiful for me actually. Very easy to grow, very easy to maintain. So if you want to get to know more information about how I managed to grow forget-me-not plants, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That means for me that you are interested, and I will make a video on that plant also. So don't forget to give this video a thumb up. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comments below. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed every flower I showed you today. They are amazing actually. Thanks for watching one more time. Wait for you in the comments below. Bye bye.